Hey, yo, it's your boy Jay on the Segway. Today's video, we're gonna take it on a Nami and get out there. Colorado National Monument, National Park. Let's go. Yeah, so the Nami's doing pretty good, man. So what I did was we did 13.8 miles of inclining, just going uphill. Uphill was being about anywhere between 2 to 8% inclines. So the Nami got as low as 72% after the 13.5 miles, I think I just said it was. So it's not too bad, you know. This is over 1,000 miles. Like I said, the battery, I've been taking care of them. It's been pretty good, you know. Not too shabby. I got the new tires on. These new tires Michael Shaw sent me. They have a motorcycle tire compound, so they actually heat up really fast. So if you do ride in conditions where the temperatures are a lot lower, you get these tires. I got them from Michael Shaw. If you want to be 100% sure on where to buy them, I would just buy them from him on Facebook. You can send him a message, say, hey, I got the Nami Burn E and I'd like to get the newest, the latest and greatest tires that you offer, and he'll send it to you for a fee, of course. Anyways, this place hasn't awed me, not really. I mean, it's a preserved land. I actually saw some houses on this property, so I'm like, people actually live here. This place hasn't awed me. What it seems to be really good at is being a training ground for people on bicycles. They seem to come out here and they ride all the way up this freaking summit. There's a long way to go, but the temperatures is really nice up here. It's like probably 60 something degrees, 68, 69 degrees Fahrenheit, and it seems to be really good for training, you know, for bicyclists. So I've been seeing them. I've been seeing people in cars. They do have a lot of like trails like this that you can hike. I'm sure you can get a map somewhere, as always. But anyways, they got the Nami right here. I got me a little blinky light. That light's very bright for daytime visibility. So I only use that light for daytime visibility. It's an actual headlight, but the way it has the light concentrated inside, let's talk with that in the background. The way it has the light concentrated inside, it's really, really good for a daytime light as far as like you wanting to be seen. So that's the one I'm going to use of the 4 lights that I have on that actual Nami. Anyways, I'm going to continue on. I'm going to give you guys some look behind me footage with the DJI Action 3. After that, I'm going to get back to the truck. I'm going to go to sleep. And next time you guys see me after that footage from the Action 3 might be in Vegas. Yep. So this road's going to go straight down here. You see where those vehicles are, the white Excursion or Expedition. We're gonna go down through there. We're gonna do some winding and then come down through there and then wrap around that big rock and then come down through the very, very bottom. Yeah, this is fun, guys. This is fun. Got the goat homies on some gangster shit.
Hey, how's it going?
Beautiful. How's it going?
Not too bad. Yeah, Room Rock Mile 7 with the mail on it.
What's going on?
Hey, so my name is Officer Nub with the National Park Service. I'm contacting you because you can't ride this vehicle on this road. It's actually not allowed in the National Park Service.
Really?
Yeah, really. Where'd you come from today?
Actually at the bottom of the hill, parked at a truck stop. I'm a truck driver, so I usually, when I stop for the day, I'll just ride.
That's somewhere. A pretty fancy rig you got there. It looks pretty cool. But yeah, you're not allowed to ride it.
Is that
here.
all national parks? Because I was able to do, I did Zion and I did Bryce before.
Oh yeah?
So I don't know, it may be different.
Yeah, they may have a different rules there. Oh, watch it!
Oh, fuck. That's fine. It's tough. It's had worse falls in its life. Oh, damn it. Yeah, that's
yeah, so you still got a light on there.
I mean, I got brake lights, turn signals, headlights. I always try to be safe with my gear and all that stuff. Oh, all right.
Yeah, we just have a rule against it. So
that's totally fine. That's fine. I mean, I even looked on the website, and I mean, I didn't see anything. I saw stuff with bicycles. I know about the lights. I was like, all right, make sure I got everything I need.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm on my way. I mean, I don't. I can't cloak out of here, but
I'm not.
I'll just ride on out.
You got an ID on you?
Yeah.
Any
sure.
firearms on you at all? Do you have any firearms on you at all?
No weapons at all.
Okay.
Nothing. No. I didn't think I'd be meeting any other than the ghost that I saw up ahead.
The ghost, huh? Well, the ghost.
Anyways, the rest of this encounter was this guy checking out my ID to make sure I don't have any tickets or anything like that, or warrants, I suppose. I never realized he was actually clinching, and I didn't know he asked me if I had any firearms the first time he asked. I was like watching this video back and was quite surprised, but it is what it is. Anyways, their website didn't say anything about electric vehicles. It just talked about bicycles and sharing the road, and sharing the road as a vehicle operator, sharing the road with other motorized vehicles and cyclists is what it says on their website. So if the guy would have given me a ticket, I got time for that. I would have just brought my butt back there and fought it in court, and they would have just thrown the case out and then learned a lesson. It's all about the principle. But anyways, I just continued my ride on out of this park. It was okay. It didn't wow me. You know, I'm not all bent out of shape about what happened. I was just glad to kind of be on my way out of there. It's more of like a training ground for bicyclists, as I said earlier in the video. But anyways, if you guys are interested in buying a Nami or any other high performance or hyper scooters, you can hit my guy Paul at Voltage Moto Works, MOTOWERKS.ca. Yes, he is in Canada, but he delivers worldwide as far as shipping goes, and his prices are final. There's no like the price and then shipping comes later on in the process. His price is the actual price with tax and everything included. So you can send him an email in the links below. I'm going to put a link basically to his website. He just kind of got it up and running. I've been kind of getting on him about that. He finally got it up and running. So if you guys want to go check out a website, you can check that out. You can send him a message on Facebook. It's at Paul Big 6 Voltage. That is Paul Big 6 Voltage. Alternatively, if you guys are looking to buy a Segway, you guys can go on ahead and hit the link in the comments below or in the description below. I'll put a link to my affiliate links. For More For Motion is the name of the company, and they basically sell hyped up Segways. So if you guys want to buy one that's like a hybrid, they have a hybrid with off-road tires. They have a hybrid with like somewhat street and slash off-road tires. They have one with crash bars and some lights and stuff like that. They have a pretty good setup, so you go on ahead and check that link out below. They didn't sponsor this video. I'm just kind of throwing them out there. They seem to be good peoples, and this is the end result right here, guys. We did 27 miles and I still had about 72% battery with a lot of inclining. So yeah, check it out, man.